affected by stuff like this. I was watching the most recent season of Terrace House, and I hadn't heard any news about stuff that happened. It's not over here, baby. So yesterday I felt kind of down and full of anxiety, and today is pretty much the same. And I know it all stemmed from something that shouldn't even matter because it doesn't have anything to do with my personal life. But like, I'm affected by stuff like this a lot just because I've dealt with feeling pretty down before. But I was watching the most recent season of Terrace House, and I hadn't heard any news about stuff that happened because I try to not look at stuff online so that I'm not spoiled about what happens in the show. I knew something was going to happen because Bill saw something, but I told him not to tell me until I finished the season. And then I found out that one of the people who was on the show committed suicide. And you know, now I feel stupid talking about it. So I'm just feeling down about that because, you know, it stemmed from something that happened on the show. It just makes me feel bad. So it started with that, and I've just been feeling down, but like I got a knot in my stomach. I'm assuming the wind blew it.
It's not burnt, it's just it's dark.
Butter, please.
God, I don't know what I want to say. Let me just get coffee. This happens every summer because in the wintertime, of course, there isn't a whole lot of like yard work that needs taken care of. There's really none at all, to be honest. I can't really think of anything. Maybe trimming stuff, maybe, you know. In the summertime, there's a lot that needs done. You have to continuously work at it every day pretty much, or you're gonna get really overwhelmed, like I am right now. And I always have these great ambitions for the summer to come, and what I'm gonna do in the yard, and the gardening I'm gonna do, and the things I'm gonna take care of, and how I'm gonna keep things neat, and you know, it inevitably gets to this point where I just, I struggle to want to just deal with any of it. I've been better this year, of course, because we prepared better. I've stayed up on stuff out there. What's the word for that? I've kept up the momentum a lot more and longer than I have in the past.